Good morning guys, in front of me is Vivo Y17s and let me show you how to use codes on this device. At first open your phone gallery, now enroll keypad and let me show you just some codes. So this is the panel in which we have to enter the codes. The first one that I want to show you is *pound or £6. And as you can see, right after you enter the code, the particular information is displayed. So in case of this code, it's device information. So whenever you want to check email or serial number, just provide it, and it's the quickest way to get it. Another code that you can use here is *pound, *225, £, and here we've got the version test. So whenever you want to check barcode, serial number, preload version, whatever, like you see all the a bit more advanced information, just provide this code, and here you've got all necessary details. Let me go back. And another code that you can use here is *pound, 426, £, and here we've got FCM diagnostic mode, where you can find events and status. And whenever you want to explore it a bit more, just mark more icon and select advanced view. So here you've got it. And this is it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.